Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you the yearly forecast for Sagittarius for year 2016. Yearly forecast for Sagittarius in 2016. What makes you special, Sagittarius, for the year 2016? What makes you special? You have to ask your question by yourself. May I say that? What makes you special? Through your skills. You will meet success in your undertaking, but with your skill, knowledge, ability. This coming year, what makes you special? You may be an author or have some other evidence of your skill. You have the ability to command attention. That's natural to you. You usually understand the financial principle or numbers or game of numbers. You can learn accounting, finance. Through clear thinking and clever use of resources, you are able to improve your finances. Your ability to accomplish your material goal improve with time and experience. This year, you are very skilled at undertaking challenging assignments. This particular year, it can be hard for you to establish the proper connection needed to allow for successful undertaking. Sometimes people can sabotage or backstab or pull the carpet under your feet. That can happen. But you have a difficult time accepting the burden of responsibility time to time. When you do, the effect may be weak and diffused. But Sagittarius, you are very talented. You are versatile, skilled at various arts, like you can do anything. Writing could be another strong talent, bringing in financial income. If you suffer mechanical issues, they will most often be resolved quickly. You are very hardworking. This year, you'll put the extreme effort and study in your gradual progress. You do have a faith in God, and your efforts are ultimately to enter into a best possible relation with the object of your faith, no doubt about it. But you often look to divine guidance before starting anything. That's unique, very unique. It could prove good for you to sacrifice your effort for the good of the collective. You try always to do what is right. You have a strong sense of righteousness and tend to be honorable in all your undertaking. First, you are extremely unique and you are always on the right path. But through hard service, you eventually seek to erase the trace of those difficulties and sorrow that had harmed others. You may help with construction of a building or institution devoted to spiritual or educational purpose. Success might be found when you do things for those who need your help or those who are trapped in isolation within their mind or environment. You are very truthful, interested in events affecting society. You donate time, money to organizations working for charitable or spiritual ends. You donate for spiritual or religious causes. Sometimes you ignore the advice of an experienced member of society. But Sagittarius, you can adhere to your position rigidly and be lacking in sympathy sometimes for others, especially political people. You may be a sharp critic of mistakes that exist at the organization level. You always use physical attraction as a weapon to rule over others. And sometimes you do the same thing if you want to hurt others. That can be there, but you'll do the best this year. Thanks for watching my yearly horoscope. If you're new to my channel, then please become a subscriber for more contents like weekly horoscope, monthly horoscope with task, precaution, chanting. If you would like to know more about your yearly horoscope, romantic life for the coming year, love life, career, profession, financial backing, your health, educational career, and many more, then please visit my website. The link is in this video description below. I'll be back with another video for yourself. Look after yourself and take care. Bye-bye.